Okay, good evening all of you. Okay, here last topic is the solubility product. Solubility product. Okay, it can be denoted with KSP. SP is a subscript. Okay, here what is considered as a solubility product? Before going to discuss the solubility product, we have to discuss some basic concepts regarding the solubility products. Okay, now here first of all salts. I am taking the salts. Okay, now salts are classified into two types. First one is the water soluble. Okay, now soluble salts, water soluble salts, and next one is the insoluble salts, soluble salts, and next one is the insoluble salts. Okay, now they are also known as insoluble salts. Means, for example, I am taking the 100 grams of salt. It can be going to dissolve in water, but here the 100 grams of salt is going to dissolve in water, but it cannot dissolve 100 gram. It can dissolve 0.01 gram. Then it is said to be almost all insoluble, or it can be also known as sparingly soluble salt. Sparingly soluble salt. Okay, na? Right. Here, for example, I am taking one example. AB is a salt. I am taking AgCl is a salt which is present in solid state. It is dissolved in water, and here it can form the Ag plus ions plus Cl minus ions in aqueous solution. Okay, now here these type of salts undergo dissolution. Okay, now they are forming the cation and anion, and here the backward reaction takes place, and AgCl, Ag plus and Cl minus combine to form the AgCl solid. Okay, na? In which case? In soluble salt case, in the case of the insoluble salts. But soluble salts, in case of soluble salts, for example, here NaCl is there. Okay, now here NaCl undergo dissolving in water, and here it can form the Na plus Cl minus ions in aqueous solution. But here the Na plus Cl minus and never come back, and they may not form the NaCl solid. Right? Here this is the difference between the soluble salts and insoluble or sparingly soluble salts. Sir, how to find out the soluble salts and insoluble salts? Okay, na? For example, I am telling the soluble salts. Soluble salts, all first A, okay na, salts, metal salts, all first A, metal, okay na, metal forming salts, all first A metal forming salts. Okay na, right? And here NH4 cation and NH4 cation combined with okay na, these metals are positive charged one combined with halogens to forming the corresponding salts. Here NH4 plus also react with halogens means here okay na, metal is a M plus, okay na, M plus. Here halogens is a F minus, okay na. Here metal is a Na plus, okay na, K plus, Rb plus, Cs plus, like this manner. Okay na. Here the halogen is a Cl minus, Br minus, okay na, I minus, like this manner. Okay na. These are combined to form the salts, but we have to find out okay na, soluble, which are the soluble salts, which are the insoluble salts. Okay na, all first A metal, okay na, metal combined with halogens to form the soluble salts. Otherwise they comes under okay na, D black, okay na, metal, okay na, combined with halogens to forming the salts. Okay na, D black metal forming the salts. There comes under the insoluble salts. Okay na, here NaCl is the first A. Okay, now this is the soluble salt, and Ag. Okay na? Silver is the D block element. It is a insoluble salt. Okay, here now I am going for the solubility product heading. Okay, this is the concept, and next I am going for the solubility product. Here, for example, I am writing. Okay, here I am writing the solubility product for only insoluble salt. Why? Because of here the equilibrium established in between the solid salt and its corresponding cation and anion. Okay na? We are calculating the solubility product for only the equation or chemical equation under equilibrium, not for this one. Okay na? Not for this one, right? Here I am going for the next one. Here I am going to define the solubility product. Okay na? What is the definition of solubility product? Okay na? Here the solubility product is the product of concentration of ions of sparingly soluble okay na salt in saturated solution at given temperature is known as star. Okay na? Star is nothing but okay na? KSP means what? KSP means a solubility product. The product of concentration of ions of sparingly soluble salts in saturated solution at given temperature is known as a solubility product. Sir, how? Okay, look at here. For example, okay, I am writing this is the sparingly soluble salt. Okay, here for example I am taking AgCl is a solid, okay na, which is dissolved in water. Okay na, here it is equilibrium with okay na, Ag plus Cl minus aqueous, which are dissolved in aqueous solution. Okay na, they are forming the aqueous solution. Right, here what is the equilibrium constant? Equilibrium constant K equilibrium is equal to product of concentration of products. Okay na, the ratio of product of concentration of product to the okay na product of concentration of the reactant. But here this is the solid, this is the pure liquid. That's why we are taking the concentration of Ag plus, okay na, and here products only, here concentration of Cl minus. But here I am taking the okay na, this one AgCl, this is the solid. Okay na, that's why pure solid, pure liquid. Okay na, we are taken as a in textbook this is not mentioned. Okay na, but here AgCl going to dissolve in water. Okay na, here also I am not mentioning. Okay, AgCl is a constant or it is considered as a unity. Okay na, here this AgCl, okay na, this constant moved to here, it can be also written as K equilibrium into what? Into okay na, concentration of AgCl. Okay na, this is the constant one is equal to Ag plus concentration of Ag plus concentration of Cl minus. Okay na, here the equilibrium constant K equilibrium, and here it is also okay na, one constant. Here both constants, here two constants are there. I am writing the new constant here KSP, that is the solubility product. Okay na, is equal to concentration of Ag plus concentration of Cl minus. Okay na, what is the solubility product? Solubility product is the concentration of ions of which one? Concentration of ions of sparingly soluble salt in saturated solution at a given temperature is known as a okay na, solubility product. Actually the solubility product used to calculate the solubility of the okay na, solubility of the salt. That is the most important thing. Okay na, KSP is used to calculate solubility of salt. Okay na, which is salt? Sparingly soluble salt. But here, okay, look at here, in this one, okay, now here, the AgCl solid going to produce the Ag plus and Cl minus. If this pairing soluble salt producing the more number of Ag plus Cl minus ions means more concentration of Ag plus Cl ions are produced. Okay, na? If okay, concentration of Ag plus concentration of Cl minus means concentration of ions increases. In saturated solution, Ksp also increases. Right? Here, okay, na? This is the one thing. And going for the next concept. Okay, what is the next concept? Look at here. First of all, note this one only. Okay, na? You don't know. You have to remember this one, but examination point of view. Okay, what is the definition and example for this one? Note it. Writing the solubility product for, okay, na, sparingly soluble salts. For example, AgCl. For AgCl, we are writing the Ksp. Okay, na? And I am going for the next example. Here, next one is the PbSO4, and next one is the CaF2, and the next one is the fourth one. Fourth one is the, for example, I am taking AgNO3. Okay, na? For this salts, how to write the Ksp? Okay, na? Here Ksp. Okay, na? For this one already we written for. Okay, na? For this one we are already written Ksp. I am writing the, for second one, how to write the Ksp for this salt. PbSO4 solid salt, okay, na? Which is dissolved in water and form Pb plus 2 aqueous plus SO4 minus 2 aqueous. Okay, na? Here for this one I am writing that Ksp is equal to concentration of the, okay, na, cation and anion only. This is the unity. Okay, na? That's why we are taking the Ksp. Okay, here concentration of Pb plus, okay, at the place of equilibrium constant I am taking the Ksp. Okay, na? This is taken as a, that equilibrium constant multiplied with this constant we get the Ksp. Okay, na? Concentration of, okay, na, Pb plus 2, here multiply product of concentration of SO4 minus 2. Okay, na? This is for second salt, and for third salt CaF2. Okay, na? This is the solid, okay, na, which is dissolved in water, and here it will produce the Ca plus 2 cation, which is under aqueous solution, and here F minus, how many number of F's are there? 2. That's why here I am writing 2F, and here for this one Ksp is equal to concentration of Ca plus 2 and concentration of, okay, na, F minus, this is the stoichiometric coefficient, this is the number 1, and here how many number of, one number of, okay, na, 1. Here 2 is there. Okay, I am writing, this is the power. Here this is the Ksp for, okay, na, this one. And next number 4 AgNO3, okay, na, is a solid undergo, okay, na, dissolution in water to produce Ag plus, okay, na, aqueous NO3 minus aqueous. Okay, na? For this one I am writing the Ksp is equal to concentration of Ag plus and concentration of NO3 minus. Okay, na? For given salts, how to write the Ksp? Okay, na? This is the explanation. Okay, na? Next I am going for the solubility. Okay, na? Solubility is the most important one. Solubility of sparingly soluble salt, solubility of the completely soluble salt. Solubility, what is the meaning of solubility? And here solubility denoted with S, and here the number of moles of, what is the definition of solubility? Okay, na? The number of moles of salt dissolved in 1 liter solution. The number of moles of salt dissolved in, okay, na, 1 liter. Okay, na? Here how many number of moles of salt dissolved in, okay, na, 1 liter solution. Okay, na? Here for example I am taking the AgCl, this is the solid. Okay, na? for this one, how to find out the solubility? Here, first of all, it is the equilibrium with Ag plus aqueous, plus Cl minus, okay na, aqueous. Okay na. Here, for this one, the solubility is a S. Okay na. The AgCl solubility, okay na, yes. Here it can be dissolved in water to produce S number of moles of Ag plus and S number of moles of, okay na, 1 means 1, okay na, 1 mole of S, 1 mole of S. Okay na. For this one I am writing the KSP. KSP is equal to what? KSP is equal to concentration of Ag plus concentration of Cl minus. But here, okay na, I am writing here, substituting this one, okay na, KSP is equal to, okay na, Ag plus S into Cl minus S. Here KSP for this equation, okay na, is S square, okay na, S square. Okay, this is similarly like okay na, AB type of molecule. AB equilibrium with AB solid equilibrium with, okay na, AB solid equilibrium with A plus aqueous plus B minus, okay na, aqueous. Okay na. For this one, okay na, here KSP, this is the S, KSP is equal to S square, okay na, S square. For this is the number one, AB type salt, okay na. I am writing the AB2 type salt, okay na. Here AB2 equilibrium with, okay na, A plus aqueous plus 2B minus aqueous, okay na. Here for this one solubility is the S, okay na, 1S, and here solubility is the 2S. Okay na. For this one I am writing the KSP, okay na. KSP is equal to concentration of A plus and concentration of B minus, here stoichiometric coefficient, okay na, 1 to the power 1, okay na, here to the power 2. Here I am substituting the values, okay na. Here S, okay na, S into, okay na, 2S to the power 2, okay na, right. Here after solving this one we get the, okay na, 4S cube, okay na. This is the AB2 type, okay na. For example, I am writing the for AB2 type, okay na, example for AB2 type, here this one, okay na, this one, CaF2, okay na, CaF2, okay na, solid equilibrium with Ca plus 2 aqueous plus 2F minus aqueous, okay na. For this one, okay, here this is the S and this is the, okay na, number of moles of, okay na, solubility is the 2S, and here solubility 2S, here S, and here KSP, this is for KSP is equal to concentration of Ca plus 2 and concentration of F minus to the power 2, and here, okay na, S for this one, S is for this one 2S, here 2S power 2, here this is the 4S cube, okay na. Like this manner we have to find out the solubility, okay na. No, please. And next one, like this salt, AXBY type salt, okay na, AXBY type salt, okay na. Here for example this form the cation and this form the anion, okay. Here in this one, X number of moles of A to the power opposite, okay na, charge Y plus here B, how many number of moles of B, okay na, Y moles of B to the power, okay na, X minus, okay na, like this manner. Here for this one I am writing the KSP is equal to, here how many X moles of S and Y moles of S, okay, right. Here X moles of S, Y moles of S. For this one I am writing the KSP, okay. KSP is the concentration of the A to the power Y plus Okay na? How many number of modes are there? X modes. This is taken as a stoichiometric coefficient, taken as a power. And here next, okay, here b to the power x minus how many number of, okay na? Y modes are there, power. Okay, here I am substituting this one, and here Ksp is equal to xs to the power x, and here ys to the power y. It can be also written as x to the power x, y to the power y, and s is taken as a common, s to the power x plus y. Okay na? Here it can be, okay na? This is a generalization equation. This is a generalization equation I am writing for AB molecule, AB type salt. Okay na? For example, I am writing here 1 to the power 1. Okay na? 1 to the power. Here how many number of modes? 1 to the power 1 and 1 to the power 1. Okay na? S to the power 1 plus 1. Okay na? Here it is nothing but okay na? S square. And here AB2 means 1. Okay na? 2. Here 1 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 2. Okay na? Here S 1 plus 2. Here 2 to the power 2 4. Okay na? S3. And B3 type salt for this one. Okay, this is the 1 to the power 1. Here 3 to the power 3. S 1 plus 2 means how much? Okay, here 9. Okay na? 1 plus 3 here, and s to the power 4. Okay, like this manner. And next one is the A2 B3 type, Okay, now here 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 3, and here s to the power 2 plus 3. Here, okay na? 4, 3, 9. Okay na? S to the power, okay na? 5. Okay na? Right. Like this manner we have to calculate the, okay na? Ksp for salt. Here this is the example for this one. Age is here. Okay na? For this one CaF2. Next we are going to solve, okay na, some problems. You have to understand this concept. Okay, first number one problem. Calculate AgCl solubility. Okay na? In this one, the Ksp value of okay na, AgCl is given to us 10 to the power minus 10. Okay na? This is the question. Okay na? First of all, we have to write the equation for this one. AgCl, this is the solid. Okay na? Equilibrium with equation radam ravalani. Okay na? This is the aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. Okay na? For this one, okay na? S, and here 1s, and followed by Ksp is equal to okay na? S square. What is the Ksp value for AgCl? Ksp value for AgCl is the 10 to the power minus 10. Okay na? Here I am substituting the value 10 to the power minus 10 is equal to S square. Okay na? It may be also written as S square is equal to 10 to the power minus 2. Okay na? S is equal to under root of, okay na, this one. Here answer is the 10 to the power minus 5. This is the solubility. Okay na? This is the solubility. Like this manner we have to calculate it. Okay na? This one. You have to note this one. I am giving more examples for you. Next question. Ksp of AgCl is a 10 to the power minus 10, and next one Ksp of, okay, next salt is the CaF2. Okay na? Here the Ksp value is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, the question is which salt, okay na, more soluble. Okay, this is the question. Which salt is the more soluble? Okay, how to solve this question? First of all, we have to find out the, okay na, yes. Okay, here for this one, for this one, KS for this one, AgCl, okay, this is the AB type, okay, AgCl, AB type. For this one, Ag plus aqueous, this is a solid plus Cl minus, okay. For this one, KSP, this is the S, 1 mole, and here KSP is equal to, okay na, here concentration of this into concentration of this, here we are substituting that one, okay, concentration of Ag plus and concentration of Cl minus, okay na, right. Here KSP is equal to S into S square, okay. And what is the KSP value given? KSP is the 10 to the power minus 10, here S square. Okay, what is the S? S is equal to 10 to the power minus 5, okay na, for this one. For which one? For AgCl. And here next one is the CaF2, okay na, solid, CaF2 solid, and here it will undergo dissociation in aqueous solution, okay. Here 2F minus, for this one I am writing the KSP is equal to concentration of Ca plus 2 and concentration of F minus, this is the power, okay na, here 1 power, right. Here this is the 1 S, but here 2S, okay na, 2S. Here I am substituting this one here, and here we get S into, okay na, 2S to the power 2, okay, right. Here we get 4S cube, okay. Here this is equal to KSP. What is the KSP value given? KSP is the 4 into 10 to the power minus 12 is equal to what? Is equal to 4S cube, okay na. Here 4 ja, and next one 10 to the power minus 12 is equal to S cube, okay na. S is equal to, okay na, cubic square root. Here 10 to the power minus 4. Answer is the S is equal to 10 to the power minus 4. Then we are going to compare these two. This is the, okay, S is equal to 10 to the power minus 4, 10 to the power, okay na. Here the solubility, okay na, okay na, value, which is the more value? 10 to the power minus 4 compared to 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power more value. That's why it is a more soluble, okay na, it is the more soluble, right.